So hi everyone, I am Subhadip. So today I will explain this question, and this question was asked in 2024 JEE main. So what is given in that question? If three successive terms of a GP series with common ratio r greater than 1 are the length of the sides of a triangle and box of r denotes the greatest integer lesser or equals to r, then what will be the value of this? Now some three consecutive terms are in GP. That means suppose A, AR and AR square are the terms where this R is common ratio and R greater than 1, and since these are the length of the triangle, so A greater than 0, right? So now we know the properties of triangle is sum of any two sides will be greater than another. So we use this property AR plus AR square greater than A and A plus AR square greater than AR. These three properties we get. Now since A greater than 0, so we can divide A. So 1 plus R greater than R square, R plus R square greater than 1, and 1 plus R square greater than R. So from this what we get, R square minus R minus 1 greater than less than 0, right? And here R square plus R minus 1 greater than 0, and this is R square minus R plus 1 greater than 0. So suppose R square minus R minus 1 greater equals to 0, then what will be the factor of this? So this will be R equals to 1 plus minus root over B square means 1 minus 4 into A means into C by 2. So this will be 1 plus minus root 5 by 2 whole divided by 2. So from this what we get, we can write it as R minus 1 minus root 5 by 2. This is bracket into R minus 1 plus root 5 by 2. So this will be less than 0, right? So let us draw the real line. So suppose here is 1 minus root 5 by 2 and here is 1 plus root 5 by 2. Now if we take the value of R greater than this, so these things will be positive and these things also positive, so this will be positive, and between these two values this will be negative and this will be positive, so this will be negative, and for both values less than this, so this will be positive. So we can write it as R belongs to 1 minus root 5 by 2 comma 1 plus root 5 by 2, like this, right? Now this is our first equation, and for second equation R square plus R minus 1 greater than 0, let us find what is R. So minus 1 greater than 0, so similarly R square plus R minus 1, let this is equals to 0. So what will be the R? Minus 1 plus minus root over root 5 divided by 2, same things. So here what will be the R? So here is our minus 1 minus root 5 by 2, and here is our minus 1 plus root 5 by 2. So if we take the value of R greater than this value, so this will be positive, and here this will be negative and this will be positive. So what will be R in that case? In that case what will be R? So we write it as R minus 1 minus root 5 by 2 into R minus 1 plus root 5 by 2. So this thing is greater than 0. So R belongs to our minus infinity comma minus 1 minus root 5 by 2 union minus 1 plus root 5 by 2 comma infinity, like this, right? And for the third equation, what is our third inequality? So R square. So in that equation it is, so we can write it as R minus 1 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square greater than 0. So in that case it is always positive because square of sum of the square of two terms, so it is always positive. So in that case our capital small r will be whole real line. So what we need now, we need the intersection part of 1, this 1, and this is 2, and this 3, right? So if we draw in real line, so in third, for the third inequalities, this is whole r, right? For the second, what will be the region? So suppose this is -1 minus root 5 by 2. So this region, left side of this region, and suppose this is -1 plus root 5 by 2, and this region. Again, for this case, second case, 1 minus root 5 by 2. So 1 minus root 5 by 2, that means suppose here 1 minus root 5 by 2 and 1 plus root 5 by 2. So this is in here, this is 1 plus root 5 by 2. So in that case our region will be this. So what is the intersection part? Intersection part will be this part. That means our r belongs to -1 plus root 5 by 2 comma 1 plus root 5 by 2. Now if we look at the question, r also greater than 1, that means, so this quantity is less than 1, this quantity is less than 1 because root 5 means somewhere 1.4 greater than 1.4. So this will be less than 1. So r greater than 1 also. So what will be the range of final r? R will be 1 comma 1 plus root 5 by 2. So this will be the interval where r belongs to. Now we need r, this r we need, right? So our r will be, greatest integer of r will be, clearly this is 1 less than r, less than 1 plus root 5 by 2. So this will be 1, and if we take negative, so what will be root 5 plus 1 by 2? Root 5 plus 1 by 2. So this will be, what? Root 5. So root 5 plus 1 divided by 2. So 1 minus 1 point something. So for minus r it will be minus 1.61 something like this. So actually these things will be minus 2 because minus 2 less or equals to minus r less than minus 1.61, right? So this will be minus 2. So r will be this and this. Now we have to, what we have to find, we get those two things. Now what we have to find? 3 greatest integer of r plus minus r. So this value is our 1, so this will be 3 into 1 minus this value is our minus 2, so this will be minus 2, so this will be 3 minus 2 is 1. So what will be the answer for this question? This one will be the answer. So thank you everyone for watching this video, and if you like this video you can share with your friends, and also you can comment if you have any question and doubts. Thank you everyone.